Hey guys, Danny Johnson here, and today I'm going to show you how easy it is to make your new lock match your old key. So what you'll do is put the key that comes with the lock in first, because that's the only one that'll turn it now, and turn it 90 degrees to the right, clockwise. Now you'll see a hole that's in the top, right above that key. So you're going to bring in this special tool that it comes with, and you're going to push it in and make sure that it goes all the way in. And once you've made sure that that's all the way in, pull the tool back out. Now, without twisting it, remove the key and now bring in the original key to your house that matches your other locks. And you'll slide it in. And all you have to do from here is turn it back 90 degrees straight back up. Now test it. It should work. So that's how easy it is to make your old key, which matches all your other doors, match the new one that you're buying. Okay, so what we're going to do is take the key that just came with it. We're going to insert it and turn it 90 degrees. You hear a click. Okay, now with it in that position, we're going to get this new tool and we're going to set it right inside there, just like that. Make sure it goes all the way in and pull it back out. Now leave this in that same position. Then we're going to bring in our original key that's keyed to the rest of our house. Put it in and turn it. There we go. Now your original key works. So thanks for watching. Please check the video description. I'll put other videos that I have that are similar to this, as well as links where you can buy these. And if you're new to the channel, feel free to subscribe. Thanks, guys.